Opportunities, opportunities, opportunities. Dear followers, as we promise you in 2021, going to be completely different approach with each other. Today is our second videos regarding to 2021. We will dedicate these videos to the huge opportunities which United Arab Emirates government dedicated to the current investors who are working already and existing in UAE, and to the potential investors who would like to do business in UAE. I'm going to just explain to you a bullet point regarding to this video. I'm going to explain about the companies with non-local sponsor. I'm going to quickly say about the investors who can have huge facilities regarding to rent, free accommodation, sponsoring their employees and even their families. I'm going to tell you also about the real estate investors who can get a residency in UAE starting from 2 years and 5 years and even more, because of if they decided to purchase a real estate or a flat or something like that, starting from 1 million dirhams. Don't forget to subscribe and like to be able to know the fresh videos which we're going to publish every week. Thank you. Ahmed Abdeshafi, Senior Managing Partner of AAA's Amira Sakhr Advocates and AAA's Abdeshafi and Saber in Egypt.